Welcome to Suha Hotel Apartments JBR. I'm Anastasia and I would like to take you through our health and safety preparation where we offer you a unique and safe experience throughout your stay. If you use the hotel carways, ensure that your car has been thoroughly sanitized. There are extra masks and gloves with driver if you wish to use them. Once you arrive, your temperature is checked. Your luggage also goes through disinfection routine. Markers are used to ensure social distances is maintained while check-ins and check-out as per DMH's guidelines. Your key is sanitized before being handed over to you. We are doing everything possible to ensure safe and healthy stay with us. We have extra masks and gloves available if you wish to use them. All our common areas are sanitized hourly as per DMH's guidelines. And touch points like door handles, elevators and elevator buttons are sanitized at regular intervals. The common area in the lobby is sanitized after every use. Your room is sanitized with attention to details. All the electrical sockets, appliances, door handles are thoroughly disinfected. Your room has been fumigated after every departure. We are open with full excitement, looking forward to welcome you back for the Suha experience.